Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here with another foundation Friday, and today we're gonna test out this foundation. I actually got it on Amazon, but I just realized they have their own site. So it is called the Focallure Poreless foundation. So if you want to see how this foundation works, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed.
Hi guys, so we're back and time to talk about this foundation. So this site is interesting, like it is very stuff they have about the foundation is wild to me. So the description, it says hashtag perfect base. It said it's long-lasting poreless liquid foundation. There's 20 shades. It's $14.99. It's on sale right now. It's usually $21.99. I got that on Amazon for like $9.99. And it said it is improved formula, second skin effect, blend into skin, and comfortable all day. And that's pretty much it. It just says it's breakdown in four categories: fair, light, medium, and tan. So there's no dark shades. Full coverage and high concealing. Mattifying powders absorb excess oil. Waterproof all hours foundation, and how to apply it. So there's not really much about this foundation, so let's go. This is from Tatcha. This is actually old. I think they changed their packaging. I need to finish this up, but it is the Tatcha Poreless Silk Primer, and then a little bit of my this is from HudaBeauty, and it's just concealer or corrector, corrector. And then I'm just using a brush. You can use any brush to do this. So my shade is YL23, 20 shades, and I think I'm one of those darkest shades. So let's shake this. Some very liquidy, and oh, that might be a good match. But it's like, I don't know what that is. Maybe my glue. Yeah, my wig is not. I'm no like wig expert by no means, but I can usually do a good decent wig for myself. Can't really do wig for people like that, but I don't know. Today is not the day. So I have the biggest pimple here. This smells like alcohol, like straight up alcohol, like some coconut punch. Like you could literally just put this in a cup and drink it.
Oh, I'm seeing bad habits already. Ah, that's irresponsible overpouring.
You know, I know it's foundation, you can't really drink it like that, but just based on this, and then it's just, I don't know. Just bringing this so I can go over my ears. I'm gonna take this off in a little bit. So I don't think this is full coverage, but you can still see like all my stuff here. So I don't see that as being full coverage, but let's see if we can build it up. And I'm just stamping it in my skin. I'm not really dragging it. Just stamping. No dragging. I don't even know what that is. Sometimes I see all the scratches and I'm just like, don't know where I get them from. Done. Let's do one size concealer. Okay, so this is how everything is laying on the foundation. I'm gonna go do my usual, go about my business. I'll give you guys 2 check-ins and my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later.
One got ain't no copy paste shit. Felt too many times, this is different, we can make it. Love dripping good off of you, let me taste it. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed.
Hi guys, so I am doing my first check-in. Makeup is looking good, lips, you know. We're gonna go here to eat. Thank God, this is gonna be my last day for salad for a minute. I think, you know, I'm salad out, but yeah, my face still feels pretty matte. Nothing, you know, crazy. Just still, I don't have any separation. So by now, I've been wearing this foundation for about maybe 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Nothing crazy, so it doesn't have any, you know, chance to start, you know, doing a business or. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep, you know, wearing the foundation. I'm gonna be out for maybe another 3-4 hours, maybe, you know. I'm old, so I have to go to bed, but yeah. So I will just do the usual. I'll give you guys one more check-in and I will give you my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later.
Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Yeah. You getting better with the times. Looking on your herbs, tasting like some fine wine. Ex broke your heart, you can hear that shit remind. Niggas be calling, but you never mind. Cause you all mine. Pull up to my house late night, hit the brake lights in the shade right. I know what's up on your mind. Pour a couple shots with the Henny in my cup. And a couple moments later, we'll be bending up a twine. Something that's a vibe.
Hi guys, so I am doing my second check-in. Look at this mural though, it's so pretty. But yeah, lips gone because I was eating. And I was having a salad which was heavily, you know, I had olive oil and garlic and stuff, so took the lips away. But my foundation is still pretty matte. Like everything is just really amazing. It's so cold. Okay, I'm being dramatic. It's not that cold. It's like maybe 50 degrees, but I'm from the Caribbean. Whenever it's like it dropped from 70, I don't like it. I don't like it. So yeah. So look at this, you can see my lashes. But everything is still feeling just pretty matte. Like, I know I did, I didn't even set my face with a setting spray today. I just put the foundation and I put like my powder. That's pretty much it. But yeah, everything is still looking really, really good. So this is my last check-in. I will give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later.
Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Yeah. You getting better with the times. Looking on your herbs, tasting like some fine wine. Ex broke your heart, you can hear that shit remind. Niggas be calling, but you never mind. Cause you all mine. Pull up to my house late night.
Yeah, you ain't get beat up.
I know what's up on your mind. Pour a couple shots with the Henny in my cup and a couple more.
Hi guys, we are back and time to talk about Miss Focallure Poreless long-lasting foundation. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. So I don't know, like down here. So I'm gonna say this foundation remained pretty matte, like, and I did not even set my face. Like all I did was, like, I put powder, but I didn't set it with a setting spray or finishing spray or any of that. So all I did was, you know, put my powder and then hit the road. It's not really hot right now because it's winter time, obviously. So, but it just, the foundation is still like matte. Like it just, like it's looking. My only issue is I have a little bit of like some form of like something like gathering here. You know, I don't know. It's like right here by my nose and then around my mouth a little bit. I don't know if that's partially because I was like eating and that could be what caused that. Like, I don't know for sure, but I do have a little thing here and there's a little, the top of my nose is not even like, you know, really, it's really around my mouth that I see the most issue. But I don't know, that might be because I was eating. That might definitely be because I was eating. But everything else looks really good. Like look at this, like this, everything is good. So this foundation is $15.99 on their website. Usually it's $21.99, or they have a sale going on. I got it on Amazon for $9.99. Do I recommend this foundation? Yes, 100%. Like, this foundation is only like $9.99 if you can get it on Amazon. And my other issue is they only have 20 shades, so they need to work on that. But yes, I recommend this foundation. If you can get your shade, you should totally try it. So that's it, guys, for this Foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.